Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and if you have this message that an AirTag is following you, you can click on it and it will show you on a map everywhere that it's gone. Now, an AirTag is about the size of a quarter. It's designed for tracking, and it has to be paired up to another iPhone in order to get signal. The same thing can also happen with your AirPods if you or somebody else has AirPods. So you might also get a notification saying that AirPods are following you. And so something you can do is kind of double check that. Is it going the exact same places as you? Sometimes somebody with an AirTag who also rides the same subway or the same bus route might trigger this. In this case, it definitely went directly from my hotel to the park. This was at Disneyland, and it was following us around everywhere. Now, if you look, it'll show first seen at 6:29 a.m., last seen at 2:12. And there's another step you can take, and that is to click on the button that says to play the sound. So see where it says play sound? If you click on it and it's not nearby, it'll tell you it's not reachable. If you click on it, otherwise you can hear it just like it is in this rental scooter. So hopefully this explains a little bit to you, a little bit about what an AirTag is, how it works. Again, the headphones known as AirPods will also give you the same message. So this is sometimes not to be alarmed, but sometimes it is good to know that something's tracking you, and that's why it has to be able to tell you that you're being tracked. So thanks for watching. Check the video description for more videos that are similar to this. And if you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe. Thanks, guys.